Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle, aka Jaylana, and today I just want to show you guys how to make your own do-it-yourself DIY aloe vera infused oil treatment. So I decided to use aloe vera because I was inspired by Crazy Cool Keisha on Instagram. She made this video and I was like, ooh, I gotta try. So I did it myself, and I'm really in love. So this video is pretty self-explanatory. Everything is going to be listed on the screen, and all the products are going to be listed in the description box below. Make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And you guys let me know what you guys are doing to make sure your scalp doesn't get super dry in the winter, because I suffer from dandruff, so this was one of the other reasons that I wanted to do this. So I'm also going to be making sure that I use a little less than 1 cup of grapeseed oil. But if you want more oil, you'll have to put more than a cup, because it only gave me about 3 ounces of oil. And I was like, wow, this is nothing. So you'll probably want to use a little bit more. I also added a little bit of avocado oil, and that's about it. So I really like the oil in general. It feels really good. It's very moisturizing. It's soft. You can honestly apply it on your face, but double check on that, because I'm not sure if you can apply peppermint oil on your face. I haven't really heard of that, but I think I have applied it on my face anyway. But I like it a lot. So yeah, just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys do to take care of your hair in the winter. See you guys soon in my next video. Aren't y'all proud of this consistency? Okay. Bye.